Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Peek with the Peek & Tone Law Firm, and I wanted to share some information with you. Perhaps July 1st went by and you didn't notice, but the implementation of the new USMCA trade agreement, which is the US-Mexico-Canada agreement that is taking place with NAFTA, went into effect. It was passed by Congress and the Senate last year and signed by the President earlier this year and went into effect July 1st. And although you may not think that affects your life much, there's as much as 12 million American jobs that are supported by this agreement, and as many as 700,000 here in Texas. And every year, $137 billion in exports goes out into Mexico and Canada because of this agreement. So it's a great economic driver for the state of Texas and for the United States, and probably somebody you know's job is affected by this agreement. So we're excited that it goes into place. Now, many of you have asked me, Jeff, what about the TN visa, which was implemented under NAFTA? Has it been affected? And great news, it has not. The TN visa continues on. There was some concern that they might limit it or possibly even cut it, but they did not. They kept it in place. That means American employers, Texas employers, can continue to bring in talented employees from Canada and Mexico when needed to continue to help grow their businesses and help grow this economy. There's a list of professions which are approved under this visa. You need to look into those online or call our office. We'd help you navigate those. Professions such as lawyers, accountants, engineers. They have announced there's going to be some increased scrutiny on some of the professions that possibly needed a little more clarity, like economist and management consultant. So we'd be happy to help you if you're having those questions about how to do that. And another thing regarding the Trump proclamations in the last couple months due to the coronavirus, President Trump has made several executive orders limiting travel into the United States. How is the TN visa affected by that? Well, the great news is it was not on one of the list of the visas that's going to be eliminated or suspended during this period of the virus, so you continue applying for that. And also, workers are considered essential employees under his proclamation. So if you have an issued visa and you're outside, you can still travel inside the United States. Now, there has been some issue with the consulates and embassies being closed outside, but they're starting to reopen up here in July, and hopefully that will allow your employees to get into the consulates to get appointments. The TN visa is great because it is relatively quick to get issued, and also there's no limit on it. So if you have any employees that you think this might be a good fit, or you yourself are looking into that as an option, please call Peek & Tone. We'd love to help you with that, and we'll see you.